Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you all how to make these Chinese cream cheese wontons. The ingredients needed are an 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature, 3 diced green onions, 1 egg, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 package of wonton wrappers, your favorite Asian dipping sauce, and oil for frying. The first step, grab a medium-sized mixing bowl and add the cream cheese, green onions, egg, salt, sugar, garlic powder, and mix and combine using a spatula. Next, let's start making the wontons. Grab a wonton sheet and use a cookie scooper or your teaspoon to grab the filling and place it on the wonton wrapper. Then, dip your finger in a bowl of water and wet the 4 sides of the wrapper. And bring the 2 opposite corners together and give it a pinch at the top. Then, bring up the 3rd corner toward the center and press to seal the edges. Finally, take the last corner toward the center and again pinch the sides to seal it. Make sure to press all the air bubbles out and seal well. Repeat the same process until you are left with approximately 22 wontons. Take any pan you like and add just enough oil for frying. Fry and move them around until they are light golden brown in color. Make sure to keep the temperature on a medium to low heat. Now your wontons are ready to serve. Eat these immediately with your favorite Asian dipping sauce, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all will give this recipe a try. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.